Hello sir, this is Monica. We are batch number 6 and our team members are Praveen, Yashwant Rao and myself Monica. So we are here to give a project review on the topic Pong game. So this is the code for our topic and there are four classes. They are Pong class, render class, paddle class and ball class. So we have imported the AWG package and the swing packages. So the elements like the button, text fields, scroll bars, etc. So in Java AWT there are classes for each component, and in order to place every component in a particular position on a screen, we need to add them to a container. So the container is a component in AWT that can contain another components like buttons, text fields, labels, etc. So the java.awt package provides classes for AWT APL such as text field, label and text area. So the Java action listener is notified whenever you click on a button or menu item. It is notified against the action event. So the action listener interface is found in java.awt.event package, and it has only one method, that is action performed. Continue.
And the next is Java key listener. So it is notified whenever you change the state of key, and it is notified against key event. So the key listener interface is found in the java.awt.event package, and has three methods. And the three methods of key listener: public abstract void, key press, key release, and key event. And the next one is javax.swing.jframe class. So javax.swing.jframe class is a type of container which inherits the java.awt.frame class. Java frame works like the main window where components like labels, buttons, text fields are added to create a GUI. So unlike frame, JFrame has the option to hide or close the window. So here we will choose the method of set default close operation to close the window. Next.
So uh, we just create a method called a new ball. So whenever we call this method, there will create a new ball and on the screen, and also we will create a new pedals, so that uh, so public avoid new pedals are created, and also we will paint the method by using the paint method, and we will also use the graphics parameter, and we also use the draw method, which will draw the by using public void draw, uh, and we can see here in the player 1, we can see player 1 score is greater than equal to score limit, then the player 1 wins. Here we can see player 2 score is greater than equal to score limit, so that the player 2 wins. Here we can see the player 1 player 1 keys, which is W and S, and the player 2 keys, which is up and down arrow. So let's run the Pong game.
So after executing the game, we will after executing the code, we will get a separate window, and then we can see the game Pong, and we should press the space button to play the game with the second player or with the opposite player, and we should press the shift button to play with bot. And here we can see the score limit 5. Among the two players who will score 5 points first, they will win the game. So now we can play the game by using key buttons, up and down arrows for the player 1 and W and S keys for the player 2. Or else we can use joysticks for our comfort. So now the game has started,
So here we can see
and
that
left side is
the game
advanced.
is going on. We can see that game is going on, I'm controlling it with the right pedal with up and down arrows and the left pedal with W and S keys. So who
So
will
the
get
player
the
who will get 5 points first wins. So player one got 5 points and the player one got win. Hit button to play the game again, or else we can click on the escape button for menu. And also we can play with bot by clicking on shift button, and also we can choose the level of the game like easy, hard, and medium. And again we will start the game. To start the game.
So here the right one is the bot which is
Yes.
playing with me. So I am controlling with W and S arrows. So here you can see that I am playing.
Here also the score limit is 5, so the player who will get 5 points first will win the game. So bot got 3 points.
So we know that I lost the game.
So
bot wins it.
also we can change the score limit
So we
or
will
the
change
color
it.
of the background screen. Yes, score limit 35.
So I am changing it to 3.
Already it is 5, so he's changing it to 3.
So I am running it.
So again we will.
You can see the score limit is 3 and I am playing again.
So the player who will get the points 3 will win the game.
Yeah. So that we see that
Yes,
player 1 wins
player
the game.
one.
That's it.
So again we can change the font styles or background screen colors,
Yeah.
font style 174. Also we can change the background screen colors and the font styles. So change the background color screen once. 149. Screen color.
Here I am
Okay.
changing to the Arial color to RG print style.
Arial font style to Algerian style.
And also I am changing the color to yellow.
Background screen color from.
You can see here the color is changed and the font is changed. That's it.
And this is about our game, and this is our review 3.